is located here in the Philippines. They are the ones who are implementing the VDI setup of Huawei right now, and their teachers and their students are using it for their Moodle application. So if you have time, we are inviting you. You can visit our Asia Pacific College showroom that's located in Magallanes. So you can see there the whole setup of a VDI and some of our products that we offer to the customers. Next one. Okay, this one shows you that for around 33 countries have been enjoying the VDI setup of Huawei since December 2011. And how are we able to do that? We have more than 120,000 employees worldwide. And for the enterprise business, which caters the virtualization, we are 10,000 strong. But if you will see right here, our R&D is 6,000. With that, you can see that our commitment is to deliver the new technologies to the customers because more than half of our employees are dedicated into R&D. Next one. So aside from the R&D, we have the most experience in the VDI setup. As I've mentioned, Huawei has 60,000 set up for VDI, but globally, we have more than 100,000 users using our system. And we can offer you 24/7 services, and we have more than 300 plus partners and standardization patents that we have applied on. In the Philippines, we have been here for 11 years, but for the enterprise group, we are here around 2009, and we are around 800 employees. Our offices are located in the PBCom office, or PBCom, SSS, both are in Makati. Another one is in GCC, which is in Ortigas. We have another office in Cebu, and another one in Davao. Okay, so lastly, with the many vendors that are offering the virtualization application, the infrastructure, the services, we can say that the customers doesn't have to choose that way because we have a better choice. You can have a better end-to-end desktop cloud solution provider, which Huawei offers. So from the data center facilities, the IT infrastructure, the operating system, which is built upon open standardization, which you can access with any other terminal, either a thin client, or a tablet, or a smartphone. Huawei can provide the one-stop solution for you. If you have time, you can visit our booth outside. We are located at the back. We are with our business partner, Nexus, and you can contact with them regarding your opportunities, and with other questions, we can discuss it offline. So with this, I end my presentation. Thank you very much.
Thank you again, Mr. Diego, for another enlightening and extensive presentation.